Hey, Andrew Morrison here with another Straw Bale Minute. I keep getting a lot of questions about how to finance a straw bale home. Now, I've talked about that on my blog, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it here today. One of the things that you want to keep in mind is that the hardest part of getting financing is finding comparable sales, and that's what the appraiser does. The appraiser will go out and try to find houses that are comparable to what you're either looking to build or looking to buy, and that'll give them an ability to give a value to that property. Now, the problem is that most straw bale owners, once they build a straw bale house, they don't want to sell it. They want to stay in it for the rest of their lives. Now, what that does is it means that there's not a lot of secondary sales or third sales out on the market that can be used as a comparable sale for your home. Now, what you need to do is talk to the appraiser and say, this is actually a positive thing. The fact that the owners don't want to sell that house means that it's got a high value, and that will help them give a higher value to your home. You can also have the appraiser look at other alternative style homes like SIP panels or earth bermed or anything that's really outside of the mainstream, log homes as well. It doesn't have to be just straw bale. It can be something that's a little bit alternative. Other than that, go with a bank that has some experience doing straw bale construction and lending on straw bale construction. There are a number of those banks out there that you can look at. You can contact me at info@strawbale.com, and I can give you some lists of those if you need that way to go. Now, basically, the key here is that you're building something that the banks are not used to. Another option is to simply say, I'm building a post and beam frame home and I'm going to use cellulose insulation. That's true, it's what you're going to be doing, and it may stop the banks from getting nervous about the whole concept. Again, there's different ways you can approach it. I personally like to approach it straight up and say I'm doing straw bale and get the appraisals the way that they can be handled. And so that, again, that's the biggest hang up is the appraisal. So if you can overcome that hurdle, really the rest of the financing is easy. See you next week.